everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am doing my favorite right now, purple spring twist. Y'all know purple is my favorite color. Shout out to all my Aquariuses. You guys, I have a couple of hairstyles at the end, but you know, these I'm going to show you this real quick. I so much enjoy this hairstyle and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Okay, I went to my local beauty supply store to get this twisted up spring twist, Afro twist, if you will, times 3, 16 inches. I wanted to be kind of longer than the short because of it being purple. So check it out. We're gonna start off with Curl La La, some Shine and Jam. Okay, these both are my favorites when it's coming to my hair though. A comb, of course, some hair clips, 24-hour edge Tamer. And I do have the gel brush. I'm going to use that brush as well. And purple. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Let's get going. Okay, you guys, I do put the Shine and Jam on the base of my hair to make it look nice and smooth and just makes it look neat. Then I put a Curl La La on my hair to keep it moisturized, because when it's in the twist or braid, it'll keep your hair moisturized for the time being that it's in your hair. You don't have to keep moisturizing it each and every day, but if you keep it moisturized from the start, then you know, be better off in the long run. So I'm going to start off with like a half an inch or an inch of braid for the twist at first. So just braid it until it's really tight to where you know it's not going to come out. Then you're going to split your hair in between the two pieces of hair. You're going to split them into two so you can twist them into one. Now that you got them separated, what we're going to do is twist each separate hair. We're going to twist that hair and then twist those hairs together. I'm actually going to slow it down for you so you can see what I'm doing, because kind of telling you it's really not working. So go ahead and watch. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys finish watching the rest, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. sprayed, you guys. Can you believe this only took me 4 hours? Get it done. All right, you guys, I am cutting away at the ends. I actually cut them a little bit more off camera. You can do the same. Now, I like using all sorts of mousses when I'm done with my hairstyles. You guys, you can get them at your local beauty supply store. You can actually order them on Amazon. Like I said, you can order any and everything from Amazon. So check it out, you guys. I'm adding Pink Luster's glosser to my scalp just to condition it just a little bit more. Give it a nice shine, and it smells so good, you guys. You don't have to do this, but I prefer it on my face, on my roots. We are at the end, you guys. Okay, just get your baby hairs together with the 24-hour edge tamer. They works. It doesn't turn white for me. It works wonders for my edges, so I prefer that around your edges. You can also use any different, there's different kinds of 24-hour edge tamer too. So check them out, sweethearts. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys here next time.